Assume the three blocks M1 is equal to 1 kg, M2 is equal to 2 kg, and M3 is equal to 2.5 kg, portrayed in the figure below. Move on a frictionless surface, and a force F of 34 newtons acts as shown on the 2.5 kg block. Determine the acceleration of the system. Determine the tension in the cord connecting the 2.5 kg and 1 kg blocks. Determine the force exerted by the 1 kg block on 2 kg block. Okay. Here what we have to do is, we will write F is equal to ma, force equation F is equal to ma. Here what is the m? M is equal to total mass. 1 kg plus 2 kg plus 2.5 kg. Okay, so that is equal to 5.5 kilograms. Okay, so 34 newtons is equal to 5.5 kilograms times A. Therefore, A is equal to 34 by 5.5, which is equal to 6.18 meters per second squared. Okay, that is the answer for the first bit A. Okay, next B. We have to find out the tension. What is the tension? How to find F applied minus F tension is equal to MA. Here, what is the, here the applied force is in this direction and tension is in this direction. Okay, so on this block. Now how to find out F tension is equal to F applied minus MA is equal to F tension here. Okay. Now applied force is 34. Mass is 2.5 kilograms. So 2.5 into acceleration is 6.18 is equal to 34 newtons. No, is equal to tension, F tension. Okay, so therefore F tension is equal to, what is the value? 34 minus this value gives 18.54 newtons. Okay, so now C bit. What is the C bit? Determine the force exerted by 1 kg block on 2 kg block. So this 1 kg block is pushing the 2 kg block, and then 2 kg block is pushing the 1 kg block. Okay, so this is based on Newton's third law. Equal forces in opposite direction. Okay, action reaction forces. These are action reaction forces. So Fm1 is equal to minus Fm2. Okay, so we will write the equation. What is the equation? It is here. F is equal to 2 F contact. Here we have to write F contact. F contact is equal to, that is what he is asking. F contact is equal to mass into acceleration, ma. So what is the mass of the object? He is asking us to find out 2 kg, no? So 2 into 6.18 acceleration. That is equal to 12, what is the value? 12.36. Okay, that's it. Just here, the same principle. F contact is nothing but Fm1 is equal to minus Fm2. Okay, so we will find out this value. The same amount of force is exerted by the other block. Okay, so that is the answer for the C bit. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.